Cat's right in front of us.
I love having conversations.
I'll tell you, we'll see how things progress.
And then if we search tomorrow, yeah? Then we go tomorrow, so then it's tomorrow night, yeah?
Danny. Danny.